Hi, I am Kumar Abhishek Pathak, Chief Mentor with IMS Learning Resources Private Limited. I meet students, I understand their aspirations, figure out their aspirations, and then chalk out, evaluate different courses for them, which they will pursue after class 12. And then I make sure that I mentor them to the point they reach to the right course after class 12, and then finally reach to their aspiration and destination. Hi, I'm Kumar Abhishek Pathak. In this video, we'll find out how to prepare for BBA entrance test without coaching. See, what happens when you appear for your 10th board exam, your entire thought process is in the mode of subjective type of questions. So writing down answers and then revising it, and then make sure that you have right length and right type of concepts written for every type of answers. When you go for your 12th exam, also 12th board exams also, nothing much changes. So again you have to write down. So there are some bit of objective questions which are inserted in your exam question paper, but still majority part of your question paper is subjective questions, and you have to write down answers for everything. What happens in 10th and 12th, both the board exams, is that you have got enough time. CBSE board gives you time for reading the question paper, it gives you time for writing answers to every question, and then it gives time to revise. So you are relaxed in that entire 2.5 hours of examination, board examination. What changes after your board exam to any of the entrance tests, BBA entrance test or BMS entrance test, is that suddenly you find that in 120 minutes you have to attempt 100 questions, or in 120 minutes you have to attempt 150 questions. So until you have an idea about questions, so there are two things. One, both are important. One is you should be in the flow of your preparation, and second is your time management. So let's say your entrance test start in the month of April and your board exam ends in the month of March, last week of March. So your entire focus should start towards BBA entrance test in the month of April, prior to, so when you are in class 11th, as soon as you go to class 12th, if you'll start working on your basic maths and speed maths, if you'll start working on your general awareness part, if you'll read newspapers regularly, if you'll start working on your vocabulary, grammar and verbal part, and then keep practicing objective type questions in with a timer. So let's say in 100 minutes you are able to attempt 50 questions, 60 questions, and then gradually you are able to increase your speed limit. So that is something which is very, very important for preparing entrance examination without coaching. You should be starting early, and you should be working on all three elements of entrance test on a continuous fashion. So it takes 8 to 10 months for a person to prepare by himself along with board exam preparation without coaching. Coaching, how it helps you is, so as soon as your board exams get over, and if you have not even started your preparation, coaching helps you in preparing for your entrance examination in 1.5 months. So that's it. If you have started early, you might not need coaching in certain cases. So for entrance examinations like DUJAT or IPM, which have got maths which is slightly different than other exams, which has got higher maths and advanced maths, for that you might need coaching in certain aspects. But for BBA entrance examinations of IP University, where there is no maths in it, and if you start early, let's say in the month of May, June, July, when you are in class 11th, you might not need coaching.